Deadass, I need help right now because, I need someone to find me the origin of this sound. I know it comes from a song. It's an F major, but trying to find this sound effect isn't even possible because either when I search up that sound effect, it's just gonna give me the snoring guy. It's just gonna bring up the snoring guy, sound like he's yelling. Is someone going to tell me where the sound effect comes from? Okay, trying to find no. I'm trying to find this I'm trying to is someone can someone please can someone genuinely please find the sound effect, because I cannot. It was in a song in F major. That's all the information I have, and I don't really remember the melody of it. So help!